Most of the students treat physics like a high-speed maths race. What they do is they open a solution manual, memorize a formula, and they hope that the numbers fit in. But when the exam question changes by just one single variable, the manual fails. So before looking at the solution, stop treating physics like a calculator and let's understand the physics behind the maths. Hello everyone, I am Ayush Bura and this is Physify Physics. The purpose of this video is to let you know what we will be covering in this playlist. We are going to treat every question of HC Verma like a laboratory. Thousands of students every year solve these questions and they get the answers as well. But a very few understand the physics behind it. Competitive exams like IIT JEE and NEET don't test your ability to memorize the formulas. They test your ability on the basis that whether you are able to crack the mechanics behind the given problem or not. So in this playlist, we will not only solve HCV, but we are going to dissect it. For every question, I will be providing you with the hidden concept behind the question. There are hundreds of videos providing the solutions of HC Verma questions. But personally, what I have felt is that there has always been a gap while understanding the concepts of the problem. I have been through the phase of learning myself like you people, and I understand the problems that most of the students are going through right now. So in this playlist, I will specifically point out the concepts and try to fill in the gaps that has always been there. Not only that, I will be providing you with the solution in my videos, but also I will be providing you with the annotated PDFs that will be available on my Telegram channel so that you can download them and use them for your revision. But we aren't stopping at textbook here. Alongside these solutions, I will be uploading targeted sessions for JEE Mains, Advanced and NEET. These are high yield interval of practice to keep your momentum sharp. To test your grip on these hidden concepts, I will be specifically uploading tailored assignments for your practice on my Telegram page, and then we will meet back on this channel so that we can discuss the logic behind every single question. What if physics made sense? Let's find out. Welcome to Physify Physics. Welcome to the ultimate breakdown of HCV. Thank you.